and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll look at joining key columns on an index. Let's create a couple of data frames and see what this is. I'll save the first data frame in a variable called left. So pd.dataframe, and we'll use a dictionary to create our data frames. So let's pass a key and value combo. Let's say A as key, and then for value we'll pass a list of elements containing A0, A1, A2 and A3, A1, A2 and A3. Okay, let's pass a couple more key and value combo. Okay, let's say B as our second key, and for the values we'll pass a list of elements containing B0, B1, B2 and B3 and B3. Let's pass one more key and value combo. We'll pass key as the key, and for value we'll pass a list containing the elements K0, K1, K0 and K1, K0 and K1. Okay, let's create our second data frame, and we'll save it in a variable called write. pd.dataframe, and we'll use a dictionary for this one as well. For our key, let's use C, and for our value we'll pass a list containing the elements C0 and C1, C0 and C1. Let's pass one more key and value combo. Let's say D, and then for values let's pass D0 and D1. And let's pass the index argument, and we'll set that to be, let's say, K0 and K1. We have those in our first data frame also. Okay, K0 and K1. Right, let's close our dictionary there, and good. Now let's look at our two data frames. We have our left data frame with columns A, B and key, and we have our right data frame with columns C and D and indexes K0 and K1. So what we will do is we'll join the left and right data frames on key. Let's do that. Left dot join right, and they will be joining on key. So what do you think will be the result? So our right data frame has the indexes K0 and K1. So what it will do is, so the left one has a key K0, so these two values will be added here. So the first row will be A0, B0, K0, and then C0 and D0. So wherever there's a match on key, a new row will be added. So there's a K0 here, so wherever there is a K0 we'll have C0 and then D0. There's another K0 here, so that will have C0 and D0, and here we have a K1. There's also a K1 in our right data frame, and it will add C1 and D1. So we'll have C1 and D1 here, then C1 and D1. Let me run it and show you. So here we have our key, K0, K1, K0, K1, and then column C and D are from the right data frame. Okay, that's how we can join key columns on an index. Great. And let me quickly show you how we could have done this by using merge. We could have also said pd.merge, and then we'll be merging the left and right data frames, and then we can pass the left on argument, and we can set that to be equal to key, and the right index argument we can set that to true, and we can set the how argument to left, and we can pass the sort argument and set it to be equal to false. Okay, if we run it, we get the same result. This is just for your information. Okay, this is what I wanted to cover in this lecture. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next lecture.